I don't know. Is that good? Is that a good view for people right there? You know? Man, this is so annoying. All right. Okay, so I don't need to cut open anything. I just gotta open it, right? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. No. You. Thank you. Oh, look at that. So we have a guide. This is the BM88. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. I think that's the microphone as well. The preview image actually shows the old microphone that I had. You want to be all nice and neat this time? Do you want that? I don't want. Oh, oh, look at that. Hello, Ryan. That is hefty. That is heavy. Hi, Nux. Look how heavy that is. That is very heavy. Yes, it was kindly sent to me. My God, that is heavy. By the people over at Fifine. They also sent me a low-profile arm as well. Oh, okay. I didn't do that. I did not mutilate that. What the hell? That's something I'm gonna have to talk about for Amazon too. This is all of the rotatable ball heads. So this is the adapters. Okay. I'm gonna remove this box very carefully. Totally did not just drop it on the ground. Let me open this thing up real quick. There it is. Right there. Well, that's pretty nice, isn't it? That's as straightforward as it comes. Where am I going to put this? I don't know, but I will find a spot for it. Oh, look at that. That's heavy duty right there. It's very howdy doody as well. I like that. Like this thing in its entirety is more well built than the microphone arm I'm currently using. So that should tell you everything. Just got to build something real quick. I forgot that I was making adjustments to my desktop environment. So first things first, I got to find some place to put this. It's not going to fit anywhere, is it? This is annoying. It's because this thing on the bottom is so big that there's very few places this can actually go, which is such a travesty. And I can't take it off. It's held in there, probably by that screw. Because if I could get that piece off, this could go pretty much anywhere. Interesting. Well, there's that. Let's unbox this microphone. There's this as well. I don't know what the hell this is, but that's the thing. Interesting. What a weird little contraption. So far has some shortcomings, but yeah. So this is the microphone. It's stuck. There we go. This is the Fifine K688. It's a XLR USB dynamic microphone. We're probably going to only be using it in XLR because, again, I don't do USB microphones. Manual. Hello. How are you? Oh, that is one hefty cable. Look at that. Microphone was not even protected really besides the foam that came with it, which is understandable. And of course, some nice nifty little O-rings. Is there anything else in here? No. Okay. This thing is so light. This microphone right here, okay, is heavy as hell. And this is just light as a feather. Ooh, there's a mute button. Look at that. The knob. Let's see if I can get a better view of that. Boop. Boop. I said, well, unfortunately, the booping's not working on the phone. Will the booping work over here? Okay, let's try that. Nope, the booping does not work. Well, at least it has that part right there. So if I wanted to, I could swap that out really quickly for this microphone, but I don't. I do not have a screwdriver either with me, which makes me a very, very bad tech person. I am looking. I hate losing screwdrivers. Okay, well, just put this right here. I have a very weird desk, and this makes things very complicated because my desk has like another extended piece up above it that holds all the monitors. I don't know what to do. Give me a second. I'm going to turn off my webcam and I'm going to go find a screwdriver. I did not find a screwdriver. I found a butter knife. Okay. So I removed it. Now it should just be able to fit anywhere. So this thing's got limits. What the? Are you serious? That is literally as far as it goes. Wow. That's sad. Okay. Well, here I am trying to install this and it's just not working. Take a chance on every product, whether it's paid for you or not. So that's all right. Well, I guess that will have to do. It'll just have to float there for now. All right, I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna hook it in. Oh, so that's kind of cool. I don't know how the hell I'm going to show you this, but ignore my cup full of gravy. There you go. Kind of cool so far. Let's get out the things here. Oh no. So it splits in two. That's interesting. Very odd. They're definitely doing this whole thing where they're kind of thinking out of the box, like how can we design this to be different? They're kind of nailing it. Definitely different. Stay together. Not really a fan of this so far. This is kind of weird. So this splits open. Lock rotation. Okay, so there's not really anything I can do. Yeah, but that splits open. This piece fits in here. This tightens up. This is where the microphone goes. Okay. This is really awkward. I love it. Ooh, okay, where did that go? That fell off. So far it's going on. Nice solenoid. Whatever the hell it's called. All right, here we go. It's together. It's working. Now, what do y'all say we hook this thing up? Some tests. Oof, I bumped the thing. All right, I'm going to turn off this. All right. So I'm going to mute this current microphone. Try to remember how good my voice sounds. And then let's switch over to the other one. Okay, sound good? Okay. We are now switched over to the other the other one. We're there. Okay. I don't even know what it sounds like yet. But oh, wow. Wow. That actually sounds really good. That sounds really good. Damn. Okay. What do you guys think? It's very clear. Yes, it is. How's that? Wait, right there? That sounds better. How does it sound? Is it cleaner? Hopefully. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, it still has that flaw. Damn. Well, so the last microphone, if you touched the outside of it, okay, my room's a mess, okay? Just first warning, food. If you ended up touching the outside part of the microphone right here, you would end up hearing it. Okay? And it seems that this one has the exact same flaw, which is unfortunate. I'm over here. Oh, there we go. But besides that, it doesn't... It's kind of in the way, but it's kind of not in the way. I mean, I'm restricted on where I can move, specifically, you know? Let me try to show you. Okay, I think I went too far. That's my junk pile. All right, there we go. So my arms go under here, okay? So it's kind of in the way a little bit on this side. So if I bump it, I'll bump the microphone. But other than that, I mean, it's fine. And look at the monstrous USB cable. I have 2 of these now, and I'm going to utilize both of them for a good cause. Let me see this Allen key. They gave me a smaller Allen key as well. Yeah, low profile arms are interesting, but they don't really work out the way that people think they do, which is unfortunate. But what can you do about it, right? I do love the quality of this microphone, though. It does sound nice. I do. But I wish that the clamp would clamp a little more, you know? Because the piece of wood that it's on... Let me show you. Actually, I should have showed you that. But, you know, I got a junk drawer and stuff. So, like, look at this. Look at the piece of wood. And look at this. You see it's moving? Because it can't clamp all the way down. It's at its maximum. So I can't get it on, like, as full as I need to. So the microphone's moving. So even if I put it behind, the main issue is it's not going to be fully clamped down. Let me see if I can get you a better image. You know? I mean, technically I could fix it by putting in a longer bolts, but that would kind of defeat the purpose. But yeah, I am not sacrificing a book, and I do not make enough money in this world to afford a piece of wood. Just letting you know that, okay? The microphone is going down. It is completely free now. Like when someone says, when someone says put a matchstick there, I can't afford a matchstick. Okay. 1 second. Let me just... Oh, it's so dirty over there. I really got to clean the rest of my desk. I'm poor, man. Okay. So I put it back here. All right. And now it's up here. So now my hands are free to move wherever the hell they want. But now it's going to be over top of the keyboard. Okay. Which might be problematic in the long run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the manual. Because, right, the manual, it comes with a manual. And I got 2 manuals here. I got these guys. I don't know if they're thin enough to make a difference. But what if I bend them in 2? I just realized Do you know what the greatest thing ever about the fact that you buy studio headphones for audio is? They come packaged. Look how thick they are. That's just the amount I need to make this work. Oh, it's too thick. Oh, I love that. Okay. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hinge the microphone again. I'm going to put it down and I'm going to adjust this. Okay, we're good. I'm still here. Okay. I've managed to stabilize it. All right. I'm going to grab out that that part that came with it that was inappropriately in the way, and I'm going to try to use that to tighten it. The wrong way. This is not working out very well. I blame Nux. I do. I blame him. It's cold over there with you, are? Oh, I'm sorry. Friend Creed knows what that's like. Come on. No, it's not. I'm on CachyOS. It says so in the title. Unfortunately, Fedora kept dying on me. Not dying, but it died enough that I couldn't use my portal anymore to stream. It seems to have some weird problems on my end with that. How the hell am I going to get you? I'm not healthy enough to reach down there. Don't like the fact that you're wobbling. Yeah, it seems to have weird issues with that. All right, I'm unplugging the microphone because I got to reroute the wire. You guys should be able to hear me now. How the hell do you route these wires? Where'd that plastic part go? This is uncomfortable. It's hurting my poor back. Plastic part go? I'm not sure about this. Honestly, why is that box so heavy? Weird. Okay. Well, there was a plastic part with it, but oh, I think I found it. This? Well, you're listening to it. Tell me how it sounds. Does that go like right there? Does that just snap on? How's that work? I think this was previously owned by someone. Maybe. No. Okay, I got it to work. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get this wire fitted in here so it's not in my way. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Okay, in like that. Yeah, good. Okay, we have some sort of a semblance. Has this come off? Okay, so it just squeezes off. Okay, so what? That goes under here like this, and this goes on here like this. There's another plastic part that I'm working in. Okay, okay, I cleaned up the wires. The wires are now out of my way. I just need to get that part so I can screw this in. You know what? I'm gonna need to use my toes for this. All right. Try that again. This is fun. It's stuck. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get back. This thing does not tighten up very well either. Okay, well, it looks like this is the best that I can do. Okay? Okay. All right, so sounds good, right? That's what everyone says. It sounds good. I'm going to keep that right there. Put you back up there. You right there. Let's see how long it takes before it gets in my way. Man. So one problem having a carbon fiber desk is that there's lots of weird issues and problems. All right, I'm going to close out you. Did I already rebuild you? I did. Kill you. Still not working. Okay, who's bugging me over here? There we go. What's the mic again? Let me show you 1 sec. Your order. What if I wanted to go back, I'd go back. I don't want to go back. Like don't offer me to go back. I want to go forward. All right. So this is the microphone right here. It is a dual port microphone. So in other words, it does take USB-C. It does have knobs on the bottom. Let's see if there's anything that shows that. There you go. So it's got up and down for your headphones. You could plug your headphones in these, huh? Nice. I like that. I think, I don't know. If I get used to this, I might keep this thing where it is. But I'm going to be honest, the low profile arm's kind of not really growing on me very well. I don't know if it's just the way that it's done or something, but could I technically... I'm thinking of myself here. No, that would definitely get in the way. Oh, I keep accepting their stuff. As a brand, they're honestly really friendly, and they keep putting out better and better gear. They learn. They take in the criticism, which is nice. So yeah, I do like them a lot. Tap to mute. Where's that at? Oh, there's a tap to mute button. You see it right there? Oh, 1 second. Look at that. That's the tap to mute button. If you had this hooked up via USB-C, you can just tap that button. That's pretty nice. Do I have a USB-C cable here? Okay. We plugged it in via USB-C. Testing? Still testing. Yeah, I would recommend this, honestly. I kind of want to recommend this to Finley, because his other mic's really finicky. Finley? Finicky? Get it? Okay. Ooh. Okay. There we go. So, this... Oh, I can't hear it. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys still hear me? I don't know if it's still working or not. It says it's showing. I just can't hear myself, which is strange. Okay, good. Weird. Does it still sound good over USB? Because it doesn't let me listen over USB. I'll have to take your word on that one. Don't know why I can't hear it. That's kind of strange. Maybe it doesn't have a feedback loop that I can live off of? Does it sound as good as XLR, or does XLR sound better? Here, let me do a switch again. Switch. How does that sound? So this is the XLR, okay? And this one is the USB-C. Because, okay, I will switch back to USB-C, am I still plugged in? I am. Let's go to advanced property. Test it? Weird. All right. 120 bucks, yeah, Canadian, but less than 100 if you're in America. They were right about one thing. It is very detailed. What other stuff do they have? The K688 microphone, which you're listening to right now. Thank you for stopping by on this live stream, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, everybody.